Hello y'all, Chef Jeffrey back with another video here. Old School Soul Food channel. Hey, today I'm going to be making a quick video. People been asking about my pineapple glaze for the cake. I'm just going to do a quick video of the glaze right now that I make here. And then I got some cakes that's in the oven. I'm going to show you how I glaze it while it's hot. So all I got right now, I put some pineapple juice, pineapples, crushed pineapple, Dole crushed pineapple. Then I rinse it out and just put the water in there too. That's what I use. I always use those. This is very simple. I got vanilla, butter, and sugar. That's it. This recipe is so simple. So very simple. So I'm going to bring this to a boil. And then we're going to add cornstarch and tighten it up. And nothing like pineapple cake. That's one of my favorite cakes to make. And I put the glaze on there while it's warm and while the cake is warm so the glaze can soak into the cake. That's the key. I'm going to put some water in my cornstarch here to make a slurry. But you never add cornstarch to a liquid unless you loosen it up with water. That's why I put slurry on there. A lot of people don't know what slurry is. That's all slurry is cornstarch and water. That's it. Alright, that's done. Let's heaten up some more. Like I say, this don't take long at all. So we're going to let this come to a boil, and I'll be right back when it comes to a boil. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back here. As you can see, it's boiling, so now I'm going to add the cornstarch to this. We want this to get thick. Thick, but not too thick. That's what you want here. Nice and thick. Sure, look at that. See how it's getting thick? I'm gonna turn the fire down and let it cook here about a minute or so. It's so easy. See how easy that is? Nice pineapple glaze. That's the thickness you want right there. A little bit more. A little bit more. That's it. That's it. I'm going to turn it off. Nice shine to it. And you can put this on any cake, you know. I happen to have an old school regular cake here. My recipe to the cake is online. Go to my Facebook page. I even got a YouTube channel video on my old school soul food, old school pineapple cake. Also, you can put this, like I say, on any kind of cake. Okay, we're going to check our cake here and see if it's ready. Oh yeah, definitely ready there. Take them out. Oh yeah. There we go. Now I'm going to let these sit here and cool just slightly before I flip them out. Because I do want them warm when I put this pineapple icing on there. Or glaze, or however you want to say it. So we're going to let that cool just 5 or 10 minutes while I get the cake out. Put it on the cake plate. And then we're gonna glaze this. We're gonna have some old school pineapple cake. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay. This cake is still kind of warm. I'm gonna flip this one down here. Put that one on there. Now, the glaze here, you can pour it, but I'm gonna do it like this. Remove this so y'all can kind of see it a little better. I'll just let that glaze just, see how hot it is? And it just soaks into the cake. Soaks all into the cake. That's why I put it on there while it's hot. Oh yeah, now we're gonna do the top layer. There we go. Top layer on there. This one we can kind of just pour it on there. Just let it glaze over like that. And all that goodness is just soaking into that cake. See that? I like that. And you just go by the side. This stuff is so good. I love pineapple cake, y'all. And like I say, the key is you can let it be, you can let the glaze cool if you want. The reason, like I say, the reason I let it put it on there while it's hot, because this stuff soaks all into the cake and makes it so moist. So, just letting you know why I do that. And this gonna have to set about 10-15 minutes, then I'll cut it. Of course, I'll cut it when it's warm. I'll definitely do that. And I'll put the other one on top. That's it, y'all. And I'm gonna keep going by the edges. Put it back on the top as it flow over. And it'll set up on top there. And once it cools, you can still go by the sides and put the one that's dripping on off the side and put it back on the top, and so on. So I'm gonna stop the video for a minute here. I'm gonna let this cool probably about 10-15 minutes. And I'm gonna keep, putting it on top as it falls off. And then we'll be back. We're gonna cut this cake up and I'm gonna show you how it looks. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. So let's cut this thing. It's still slightly warm, but I'll let it sit about 15-20 minutes. So we're gonna see. You see I put the glaze back on the top. It fell to the side, like I say, and just keep it up there and it'll cool as you're doing it. So this over here. Oh yeah. This is my favorite piece. That piece that falls off. The cake is so moist. Look at that. See that? Let's see how moist that is. That's what I like to do. Look at that. Oh yeah. Look how moist that is. That cake is so super moist. But yeah, go find the recipe. This is only for the glaze, but I do have another video of the pineapple cake itself. So go check it out. I just wanted to do another one with the glaze, a little short video. But anyway, this is recipe. Thumbs up. Please comment. Ooh, this is so good. I can't even remember what I need to be saying. Please subscribe to the channel and comment. Until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day.